Hi, and welcome back to Jim Builds. I'm Jim, and this is my broken exhaust manifold. I talked about this recently. Driving on the motorway, things got very loud. I must have got pretty sparky because the car behind me really backed off because my manifold had snapped and the exhaust was dragging on the floor. Caused a bit of damage. Sounded really badass when you revved it. It sounds like a Panzer tank. But now is the time to actually get this thing fixed. Fortunately, I have an old broken manifold. This was another GT manifold. See, well, that about right. That'll replace that section approximately as so. Yeah, these things they tend to fail around there. I had a spare manifold that had actually rotted through on the primary, so cut that piece off. And now I'm going to try and get this thing welded up, put the exhaust back on, and then we can hopefully go for a drive. So let's get to it. So this is how the system was originally. So I've come out of the manifold here into a 45, extension 45, and that's where the flexi joint is. I don't know if that's too much weight hanging on the manifold. So I've got a new flexi joint, which is the same as this one. What I'm tempted to do is change it so we go straight out of the manifold into the flexi joint, and then we do this. But as well as having these two joints here and a joint here, there's quite a few. So I think what I will do is get the length right, weld this to the system so it's all one piece instead, and then change this to a straight, which will slot into that, because at the minute these are the same size, so that won't work. Seems straightforward enough, but we'll give it a go.
Yeah, so I had to modify it a little bit to get this to fit. And it's hard to show from here because I haven't got the car in the air. That elbow is quite close to the leg. So we'll come back and have a look at that. Generally it's okay. It's gone on fairly well. I'm happy with it for the minute, but I think I will upgrade it when I start doing some more work on the Cortina.
So the exhaust's on, and yes, I do need to go for that test drive I was talking about, but it's raining at the minute. I've checked the weather report and it seems to be alright in probably May, so might be a case we're going to shelve the Cortina for the minute and let the weather move on. But at least I've got it sorted, and if the weather changes, then I can go for a drive. But I hope you've enjoyed this. It's been a while. I've got quite a bit coming up soon, next couple of days in fact. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.